Hi guys, my topic is discrimination index. My learning competencies is to understand the concept and purpose of discrimination index, calculate the discrimination index using the provided data, and number 3, interpret the discrimination index to evaluate the effectiveness of test item. Discrimination index. The index of discrimination is a measure used to evaluate the effectiveness of test items in distinguishing between high and low performing students, typically calculated in educational assessment. It is important because it helps determine how well a test item or question distinguish between students who understand the material and those who do not. Here are some key reasons why it is important. Number 1, measured item quality. Number 2, improve test reliability. And number 3, guide item revision for support learning evaluation. In short, the discrimination index is vital for creating valid, fair, and effective tests that accurately measure the student knowledge and skill. And discrimination index is a measure used in tests and item analysis to show how well a test question can distinguish between high-performing and low-performing students. In the fifth slide, this is the formula of discrimination index. The formula to calculate the item discrimination is item discrimination equal to PH minus PL. PH, the meaning of PH is portion of high scoring student who answered the item correctly, and the meaning of PL, proportion of low scoring student who answered the item correctly. And the item discrimination PH is the value is interpreted using the table, the 7th slide. This is the table of discrimination of index. Sa 7th slide naman, may makikita kayo doon na table. Nakapaloob doon sa table na yun is yung index discrimination, remark, and discrimination. Sa index discrimination naman, sa first table, may makikita kayo doon na 0.40 and above. Sa remarks niya is very good item, and sa discrimination, retain. Sa pangalawa naman is 0.30 minus 0.39, good item and retain. Sa pangtatlo naman is 0.20 to 0.29, reasonably good item. Sa discrimination niya naman is revise. 0.10 and 0.19, marginal item. Sa discrimination niya is revise, and below 0.10, poor item, reject. And that's all. Thank you.